Back to the channel, guys. This video will be again on the topic of job market or job in IT, the career advancement and different opportunities. Let's assume a scenario. Let's say you're in Helpdesk. You've been working for 7 months in the job. You are pretty much familiar with all the tools there is. You're familiar with the kind of ticket that comes in, the ticket flow, how to deal with them, how to escalate them, because usually there is a time limit for Helpdesk or level 1. For 30 minutes or 45 minutes they work on an issue and they have to escalate. It's a rule that they have to follow. At that point, 7 months in the job and you're like kind of bored, or you're feeling like this is not really meaningful, this is not what I wanted to do with my career. What's next? What should I pursue next? What will get me to the next level, or what will make me get to deal with more complex issue, working on better projects, something more exciting basically than dealing with the regular, IT support calls and emails. Don't worry, I was in a similar shoe years ago, in a similar position few years ago, and I had to do a lot of digging, a lot of research, googling, YouTubing to figure out what I wanted to do next and what certification would get me to that position. In this video I will be talking about Microsoft certification roadmap and technology specifically, because that's what I chose and that's what I have the most knowledge in. I can go on and talk about other fields, but I'm not qualified, so I'm not gonna talk. You can check out my LinkedIn profile for all the Microsoft certs I have done so far in my career. And yeah, I feel like I have something to share which can help you guys. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna switch over to a Word document that I have made, just so you guys can read through it or follow. Certs are structured in 3 tiers. They categorize it in fundamental or beginner level, role-based associate level, and specialty or advanced expert level. If you're just starting out, or if you're in Helpdesk, you are bored with it and you need to go further, you want to go further, you need more money, I would suggest getting the MS 900 or AZ 900. Now MS Code Word is basically Microsoft 365 and everything that's included in it. Microsoft 365 is something that is used for collaboration. It covers all the technology which is used for collaboration, productivity, and like modern workspace. So that would include Exchange, so this is all the email management, SharePoint, all the file management, and Teams, this is where like the collaboration happens. And then another one is AZ 900, which is Azure Fundamentals, which covers the concepts of cloud and the things that Azure offers to the world. These certs won't get you high paying job on their own, but they will help you land the entry-level job, or it will show the employer that you are capable of doing more than just regular tickets. It will just give you an edge over other Helpdesk technician. That's how it helped me, and that's how I look at them. They are fundamental, they are very core, a gateway into more technical certs. The salary ranges could be from 40 to 60k. Again, it depends on your experience and location. After you've done either of those, so you're gonna have to choose one, which one to follow. What I did was I chose Microsoft 365. The reason being, I was seeing 90% of the tickets were from the users or clients that had something to do with Microsoft 365. In the job I was in, or the company, it was more prevalent. Microsoft 365 was way more prevalent than Azure. That is the reason why I chose Microsoft 365 to pursue. Yours could be different, so again, you gotta just sit and think about what you deal with on day-to-day basis and just go with that. Second one would be the associate level or a role based. These are designed for IT professionals who want to focus on their real-world job skills in Microsoft environment. So these are the folks who do the administration. Certs that are related to these would be if you want to be an Azure administrator, like overall Azure infrastructure, you want to be familiar with all the technologies, how to implement them on a smaller scale. You want to do Azure 104 or AZ 104. This will get you the administration badge, which you can show the employer, or the employer will see that you are capable of administrating Azure. Again, if you want to follow the 365 route, M365 route, then you want to pursue MS 102, which gives you M365 administration. This will make you kind of an expert, even though it's an associate level. It makes you an expert. I don't think there is any cert above this when it comes to Microsoft 365. It will help you with administrating 365, and it will also get you a salary boost. Usually the range is between 65k to 90k, and this will increase with experience and the type of company you work with. The third one is specialty. Now this is for the folks who really want to deep dive into the specific technology offered by Microsoft. Giving an example, for me, again, I saw there were a lot of Microsoft 365 problems to fix, and there were a lot of Azure VDI problems to fix. So companies or the clients we have, they would want to move their on-premises infrastructure to the cloud. They want to establish a hybrid infrastructure, and I found out that this cert was the best to fill that requirement of a role of a technician. So that is why I did this. You will have a different reason again. So going back to the definition, a specialty will get you more technical knowledge. This is the highest you can get from Microsoft when it comes to training on the technology itself. AZ 140, the one I did, it specializes in Azure VDI solution. This is for someone who's looking into getting more into cloud engineering or cloud administration role. The salary range will be higher than that of an associate level, and usually it's from 100k or plus, depending on your skills, your experience, company, and location. Okay, so this is a six-figure salary, and it depends on a lot of things, but getting this cert will definitely help you in getting to that salary. Again, I focused on 365 because every business, small scale, medium scale, large scale, needs it. If you're just in IT as a help desk, I would suggest getting into the Microsoft 365 field first, and then after you've finished with 365, getting into Azure. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I think is the logical pathway. But yours could be different. This is just an overview, so just take it lightly. This is my opinion. Yeah, if you're in help desk, just unsure where to go, start with the fundamental certs. Build from there. So start with the fundamental, do both. I know my company recommends the help desk technician to do both. So I would suggest just do both, and then this will help you just understand the technologies, both of the technologies, in a better way, and help you make a final decision. And that's it. There will be a part 2 to this video, and that's where I will be going in deep details on what to choose next. That video is basically an answer to a question by my colleague who is in Helpdesk right now. He was looking to further his career, and he wasn't sure what to do, and he asked me for the advice, and I did give him an advice. I didn't leave him hanging, but I also wanted to make a video for folks who are in a similar situation as him. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please ask me in the comments, and take care.